Tired of those unsightly, jagged edges ruining your otherwise perfect images? Well, get ready to transform your photos because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to smooth edges in Photoshop like a pro. First, let's talk about anti-aliasing, Photoshop's built-in smoothing feature when using selection tools like the lasso or magic wand. Make sure the anti-alias box is checked in the options bar at the top. This subtly softens the edge during selection, preventing harsh pixelation. See that little check mark? That's your new best friend. Next, dive into the Select and Mask workspace. Go to Select, then Select and Mask here. You'll find powerful tools to refine your selection's edge. Look for the smooth slider, drag it to the right to soften the edges and eliminate those jagged steps. A little goes a long way, so adjust it gradually. The feather slider is another great tool. Feathering blurs the edge, creating a seamless blend with the background. Again, use sparingly for a natural look. Now, let's use masking to create a clean, smooth transition. Click OK to apply your refined selection, then click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This creates a mask based on your selection, allowing you to hide or reveal parts of the image non-destructively. Notice that subtle edge now. It is beautifully smooth. Finally, for even more control, use the brush tool with a soft, round brush to paint on the mask. Black conceals, white reveals, so you can precisely refine the edge, removing any remaining imperfections. Experiment with different brush sizes and opacities to achieve the perfect smooth edge, and there you have it, professional images with beautifully refined edges, all thanks to Photoshop smoothing techniques.